Do, do, do. Time to check my email. Checking my email. Okay. Dear cat, what is how to solve the Rubik's Cube? Sincerely, uh, Sandy from Ohio University. Well, Sandy, well, you thought it was too impossible to solve the Rubik's Cube, but it's not gonna be here for nothing. But it's not very distracted to myself here. But it's not. But it's not alright. And let's see how to solve the Rubik's Cube is not trickier. Well, I guess I have to. Good luck. Well, till next time for the next 5 hours and 10 seconds. It will be a battle of the ball.